Let's go over to our man, Mr. Jack Gleason, as we do each and every Thursday at 40 past the hour. Don't forget, folks, you can check out Jack every trading day at MajorLeagueTrading.com. And, of course, he's a big Red Sox fan out there. Only kidding. Only kidding. Jack Gleason, what's going on?
Oh, man, guys, what a life it's been since I talked to you. So, halfway backs for the year. Did we talk about that last Thursday? I remember we were like coming into those levels, but
yes. Well, here I'm going to put it up as you're speaking. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. So I see a couple charts. Basically, the Dow, NASDAQ, and S&P all traded their full halfway back for the year, which I can't tell you I mean, first of all, that setup in general is just pretty rare for us to retrace half of the entire move for the year, but they did it on the same day. The Russell was the first to get there. It was the weakest market, let us down. So I shot you a couple charts. One of the S&P 500. So, you know, going forward, that's definitely a major support level you're going to want to watch. It is 2738 quarter in the S&P 500. And then the other one I shot you in the Dow, and that's 25,027. So both of those levels, that's Dow, S&P. I can give you the NASDAQ one here as well, but we've held them, and it's going to be really important going forward that we stay above that, you know, because if we do break below, then everybody's going to maybe we'll start getting that bear market everybody's been waiting for 9 years. But way too premature to call for that, in my opinion. We do want to be aware of some resistance levels above full halfway backs. The NASDAQ halfway back long for the year was 69.46. We dipped into all of them, but some fun trading. What do you guys think about this move here? What do you guys think about going forward, etc.?
My take, Jack, is that we're in a monster consolidation, with the lows being the lows of last February and the highs being the highs of like last month. So I expect we're going to be in it about a year. You know, if you look, and it's not a big deal. I mean, really, it's a 400-point S&P consolidation. You know, 2014 to 2016, we were in that consolidation, right? That was 382. Then we take off 900 S&P points. Just makes sense to me that, okay, here's the consolidation for the market to get used to rates or whatever we're going to get used to. But I like the deal. I like how it's set up, man.
Yeah, I mean, the volatility is the trader's best friend, right? So, I mean, I'll take it. I mean, gold's doing well, right? Gold's doing well.
Well, we'll see. You know, the bottom line, it's going to be kind of wild watching, you know, will the dollar break down? You know, because each and every time that it goes higher, there's no more, you know, sellers, no more buyers, and the range is so tight right now. You know, it's going to break. The real question is which way it's going to break. I mean, I'm bullish. I'm still bullish, no doubt. Well, what I do like, I like the differential of how the gold equities are trading versus how they traded in 2008. They didn't trade like this in 2008. Everything went down in 2008. You know what I mean? So that's why I'm thinking that, hey, this is just going to be a big consolidation, you know, and people will have to get used to it, you know. They haven't seen a big consolidation in a long period of time. Well, you know, I guess 2014 to 2016 it was there, yeah. You know. So just time goes quick, man, you know. But when you're trading off those fib numbers, you know, folks, it's a beautiful thing, because that is a monster consolidation, and whether you're a bull or a bear, you can make money in a market like that.
Yes.
You know, and big money. That's, you know, 400 points is S&P points is a big number, man. You know?
I tell you what, I got lucky. I mean, I caught the move down, that big move down last Wednesday. Yeah. I saw it before it happened. I caught that move really well with Nadex. I had a couple of positions that went like 800% on the day. And then Tuesday, I caught the move up. So I'm loving the action. I've been trading pretty well here.
Nice.
In this. Just a couple of things we got going on right now, guys. If we can get above 2812 in the S&P here, I'm going to be looking for a move up into first 28.29 and then 28.44 quarter. 28.29 is the full halfway back from the all-time high to that most recent low in the S&P 500. So even though we're consolidating right here, we'll most likely touch that at some point. The only thing is there going to be enough sellers to step in and pause it? I think we could possibly, you're going to want to watch like where we're closing on that 28.29. Are we closing above? Or are we closing below? Because typically what we'll do on these bigger halfway backs, we'll get above them, we'll move back below them, or we'll close right at them, and then the following day, it's not usually a hard reversal like in a one-shot, touch it and go.
No, I can see that, man. My take, Jack, is that we're going to be there by tomorrow. You know, because what you've done so far, you've rejected lower price the last couple of days. We rejected lower price again at the open. So like the most deviant thing the market can do to take the most amount of money away from the most amount of people in the least amount of time is to go up to that 28.40 to 28.50 by option expiration tomorrow. It's like, what just happened here? You know, so.
Oh yeah, I forgot OPEX is tomorrow. Yeah, I'm actually watching yesterday, the previous day's open in the S&P here today. We're obviously already cleared today's open. It was a 3-bar move down and then a rip higher. But yesterday's open at that 28.12. I think that was that 28.12 quarter. If we can get above that, I would look for a short squeeze even possibly later on in the day. I mean, you saw the way we closed yesterday. It was like they sold it and then bid straight in the close. Got it high, so getting back.
That was wild, man. There's no doubt. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty weird. And oil's getting crushed now too.
Yeah,
so.
the oil move is something else. I mean, that thing came down and came down hard. It broke it broke a swing point. Didn't have the volume on the break, but had big volume. So we'll see coming into the coming into the winter and you get lower oil prices. That's going to be good for a lot of people.
Out of the 70s for the first time in a while.
Yeah. And that in the face of politically, if you're just talking politics or talking fundamentals, you'd think that oil's higher. And so that's...
Well, the Saudis, Donald's over here like, shh, I won't, get you in trouble for the murder. Just bring down that oil price.
Yeah, right.
Oh,
pretty wild. No doubt. So, hey, you getting ready for Costa Rica?
Oh, yeah. Yep. I mean, my birthday's on Sunday.
Happy birthday, man.
Yeah, big 2-9.
Oh, man, you're over the hill. My God. Damn.
I am over the hill. I don't know what I'm going to do.
Seriously.
Yeah, so, I got to move out next weekend. Gonna go back to my parents' basement for 6 days.
Oh, that'll straighten your head out,
Then
man.
you'll be ready for Costa Rica.
Got to behave around them. Pretend like I got my life together now. And I'm gonna be out of here. So 2 more weeks, I think I'll be streaming from down there.
That's awesome. And where are you gonna be in Costa Rica again?
Santa Teresa. It is on the Pacific side, on the lower end of the peninsula.
Cool.
So
I'm going there with some friends early December. So maybe I'll look you up, man, and see where I'm going.
Is it a bachelor party?
It could be. It's very possible.
Yeah.
It's funny.
And he's going to Hako.
Yeah, it's a Jacko.
Hako, big surf town. Yeah, that's party zone right there. Mine's a little more more of like a secluded, because it's on. It's jungle. It's cool.
That's awesome. Man. I've never been. I can't wait.
You'll have those
beautiful.
the
beautiful water, beautiful beaches.
The monkeys are there. I think it's an ocelot. There's something that
the howler monkey.
Huh? Yeah, the howler monkeys are unbelievable, man. But there's another thing that moves like so slow, and they're very tops of the sloth. Thank you.
Sloth.
Those things are so cool, man.
Too funny, man.
Yeah, totally.
No, right?
We'll see you.
Folks, MajorLeagueTrading.com. Jack, you have a great one, a safe one. Look forward to speaking to you next week.
Take care, man.
Thanks, Jack.
Stay right there, folks. Tommy and I are coming right back. We have the Dow down 62. NASDAQ is off 40. SPs are down 12. Come right back.